Hello, my name is Philip and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today I will explain to you how to use the two words affect and effect. Affect is usually a verb and means to influence. For example, tiredness is affecting my work. People's confidence in the future affects the stock market. The earthquake affected people for miles around. Affect also can be used as a noun, although not often. It is connected with the context of psychology and means an emotion or desire that influences behavior. Effect is usually a noun. It means the result of something. For example, the effect of not having breakfast is to feel really hungry. The aspirant's effect took a long time to start working. The romantic movie had a strange effect on his emotions. Effect can also be a verb. It's very formal and means to implement something. For example, the management effected a new policy. Environmentalists around the world are trying to effect eco-friendly changes. Affect and effect sound very similar, but in British English, effect is usually pronounced effect, while affect is pronounced as affect. In American English, they are often pronounced the same, affect. This pronunciation difference can be very hard to hear. Sometimes people do not notice the difference. Remember, you can practice this and many other grammar points with me, Philip, your Skype class teacher. Good luck with your English studies. Goodbye.